Today we will study next topic from the chapter drugs acting on autonomous nervous system. In that sympathomimetic drugs, adrenomimetics or adrenergic drugs. These are pharmacological agents when administered externally mimic the response of sympathetic nerve fiber that is adrenaline. Classification catecholamine example is adrenaline, noradrenaline, isoprenaline. Second class non-catecholamines ephedrine, amphetamine. Next part is receptors or adrenergic receptors present on different body organs like heart, beta 1 receptor, peripheral blood vessel, alpha receptor, deep skeletal blood vessels, beta 2 receptor, bronchi, beta 2 receptor, and last one is eye and other smooth muscle, alpha receptor. Adrenaline pharmacological action. First organ is heart. Adrenaline act on beta 1 receptor of heart and increases conductivity, contractility and heart rate on blood vessel and blood pressure. In a low dose, adrenaline causes peripheral vasoconstriction due to alpha receptor action, which causes systolic blood pressure rises. Second, on moderate dose and high dose. In a high dose, adrenaline activate both receptor, that is alpha in peripheral blood vessel and beta 2 in skeletal blood vessel. It causes peripheral vasoconstriction and a rise in systolic blood pressure. This followed by skeletal blood vessel vasodilation, decrease in a diastolic blood pressure. This blood pressure response of adrenaline is termed as biphasic response. Dell's motor reversal. Sir Dell was working on biphasic response. He postulated that if ergot extract is administered prior, then biphasic response can be converted into decrease in a blood pressure response only. Ergot extract block alpha receptor, this termed as Dell's vasomotor reversal. Next organ on smooth muscle. Adrenaline is powerful relaxant of bronchial muscle. It relaxes smooth muscles of gut and reduces mobility. On eyeball, adrenaline produces mydriasis, that is dilation of pupils. Next organ, urinary bladder. Adrenaline relaxes smooth muscles of urinary bladder. Respiratory system. Adrenaline weak stimulant of respiration. And last one is metabolic effect. Adrenaline increases blood sugar level. Next part is adrenaline metabolized by two enzymes. First one is catechol O methyl transferase, that is COMT. Second, monoamino oxidase MAO. Therapeutic applications of adrenaline. Adrenaline is a drug of choice in a life-threatening allergic reactions like serum sickness, hay fever, and anaphylactic shock. Adrenaline is a drug of choice in a bronchial asthma as it includes good bronchodilation and inhibit secretion. Third one is it is used in a treatment of heart block and cardiac arrest. Next one is it is used as topical hemostatic agent. Example, gum or nasal bleeding is stopped. Next is it is added in a local anesthetic injection. It produces vasoconstriction and reduce systemic absorption of local anesthetic agent, thereby produce prolonged duration of action. Next part is contraindication of adrenaline. That means adrenaline is not used in a following conditions like thyroid toxicosis, that is excess thyroid hormone secretion. Second one is hypertension. Third one is diabetes, and last one atherosclerosis, thickening, hardening, and loss of elasticity of walls of arteries. Last point, use of ephedrine. First use is bronchial asthma, second as a mydriatic agent, and third one is in a nasal decongestant.